Hey, fellow investors. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fundamental concept that's crucial to grasp when navigating the exciting world of investing on eToro. We're talking about the difference between orders and trades. So, buckle up, hit that like button, and let's get started. First things first, what exactly is an order? Well, an order is like your plan of action. When you decide to buy or sell a financial instrument on eToro, you place an order. This order contains important details like the asset you want, the quantity you're buying. When you use the order function, you can set the maximum amount you are willing to buy an asset for. For example, if the current market price for Apple stock is $189.96 per share, if you feel like the price might drop, you can set the maximum buying price to $188.96. Once you do this and place your order, the asset is not bought immediately. The platform will only trigger buying that Apple stock once if it falls to the price you set. Think of it as telling eToro, hey, I want you to buy this amount of, let's say, Apple stocks at the market price that I have instructed you. It's your way of signaling your intention. On the other hand, a trade happens immediately and your order gets executed at the current market price. In the case of our example, Apple stocks is currently selling at $189.96 per share. When you use the trade function, eToro executes your buy immediately. To sum it up, an order is like your game plan, based on your projection. A trade is instant, you may call it going with the flow. And there you have it, the difference between orders and trades on eToro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and of course, give us a thumbs up. Happy investing, and I'll catch you in the next one.